Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss some current affairs of 16 September 2020 which is helpful for all our exams. Now let's start with the question number 1. Which country was elected as a member of United Nations Commission on the Status of Women? Option A China, B India, C Afghanistan and option D both India and Afghanistan. Here the answer is both India and Afghanistan. India and Afghanistan both was elected as a member of United Nations Commission on the Status of Women. The three countries namely Afghanistan, India and China competed where Afghanistan garnered 39 votes and India won 38 votes of the 54 ballots cast. China got 27 votes but failed to get the required majority of 28 votes. So here the answer is option number D, both India and Afghanistan. Now comes to question number 2. When was the Montreal Protocol signed? Montreal Protocol was signed on 1987 but substantially amended in 1990 and 1992. So here the answer is option number C, 1987. Now comes to question number 3. The new Banking Regulation Amendment Bill 2020 will empower the dash to restructure cooperative banks. Option A NBFC, B Mutual Fund of India, C State Bank of India and option D Reserve Bank of India. Here the answer is option number D, Reserve Bank of India. The new Banking Regulation Amendment Bill 2020 is tabled on the first day of Parliament's monsoon season. The bill will provide the Reserve Bank of India powers to restructure cooperative banks. So here the answer is option number D, Reserve Bank of India. Now comes to question number 4. The DAS Defense Technology and Trade Initiatives Group meeting was held on 15 September 2020. Now comes to question number option A, 5th September, 5th, A D 10th, C 15th and D 20th. Here the answer is option number B 10th. The 10th Defense Technology and Trade Initiative Group meeting was held on 15 September 2020. So here the answer is option number B. Now comes to question number 5. When did the UNGA proclaim the observation of International Day for Preservation of Ozone Layer? Option A 1994, B 1999, C 2004 and D 2008. Here the answer is option number A 1994. On 19th December 1994, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 16 September as the International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer. So here the answer is option number A 1994. Now let's proceed to the next question. Question number 6. Ozone layer or ozone shield is a region of Earth's dash that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet rays. Option A stratosphere, B ionosphere, C mesosphere and D exosphere. Here the correct answer is option number A stratosphere. The ozone layer or ozone shield is a region of Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. It contains a high concentration of ozone in relation to other parts of the atmosphere, although still small in relation to other gases in the stratosphere. So here the answer is option number A stratosphere. Now comes to question number 7. Who served as the longest serving prime minister in history of Japan's constitutional government? Option A Abe Shinzo, B Shigeru Ishiba, C Yuriko Koike and D Sato Ishaku. Here the answer is option number A Abe Shinzo. Abe Shinzo served as the longest serving prime minister in the history of Japan's constitutional government. So option A is the correct answer. Now comes to question number 8. What is the chemical formula of ozone? Option A O2, option B O3, option C O4 and option D O5. Here the correct answer is O3. Chemical formula of ozone is O3. O2 is chemical formula of oxygen. Now comes to question number 9. Who is elected as the new Prime Minister of Japan? Option A. Shigeru Ishiba, B. Taro Aso, C. Yoshihide Suga, and D. Fumio Kishida. Here the answer is option number C. Yoshihide Suga, who is elected as the new Prime Minister of Japan. Now comes to question number 10. When is the International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer observed? Option A. 2nd January, B. 20 March, C. 28 May, and D. 16 September. Here the correct answer is option number D. 16 September. International Day for Preservation of Ozone Layer is observed on 16 September every year. This day is observed to spread awareness among people about the depletion of the ozone layer and search for possible solution to preserve it. So आज अब बस यहीं तक। होप सो कि आप लोग को हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। सो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। नाउ थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो।